Soursop, scientifically known as Annona muricata and commonly referred to as Graviola, is a tropical fruit native to the Americas and widely cultivated in regions like Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. Recognizable by its spiky green exterior and creamy, custard-like flesh, Soursop has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries, revered not only for its unique flavor, a blend of strawberry, pineapple, and citrus, but also for its extensive therapeutic properties. Every part of the Soursop plant, from its leaves and bark to its fruit and seeds, has been utilized in folk remedies to treat ailments ranging from infections to chronic diseases. Modern scientific inquiry has begun to validate many of these traditional uses, uncovering a wealth of bioactive compounds such as acetogenins, alkaloids, flavonoids, and vitamins that contribute to its health-promoting effects. Below is a comprehensive exploration of 10 key health benefits of Soursop, supported by both historical wisdom and emerging research, highlighting its potential as a functional food and natural remedy. Soursop is perhaps most famously studied for its potential anti-cancer properties, a benefit attributed to its unique class of compounds called acetogenins. These long-chain fatty acids inhibit the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, in cancer cells, effectively starving them of energy and triggering apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Laboratory studies have demonstrated that acetogenins, particularly annonacin, exhibit cytotoxic effects against various cancer cell lines, including breast, prostate, pancreatic, and lung cancers. For instance, a 2016 study published in Cancer Letters found that Soursop extract selectively targeted colorectal cancer cells while sparing healthy cells, suggesting a potential for adjunctive cancer therapy. Traditional healers in the Amazon and Caribbean have long used Soursop leaf tea or fruit pulp to combat tumors, though modern researchers caution that human trials are limited. And excessive consumption of Soursop seeds or concentrated extracts may carry neurotoxic risks due to annonacin's potential link to atypical Parkinsonism. Despite this, the fruit's pulp, when consumed in moderation, remains a source of antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C, which neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, a key contributor to carcinogenesis. The immune-boosting properties of Soursop stem from its high vitamin C content, with a single serving providing over 70% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C stimulates the production and function of white blood cells, the body's primary defense against pathogens, while enhancing the skin's barrier function to block microbial entry. Soursop also contains antimicrobial compounds such as alkaloids and flavonoids, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and parasites. A 2014 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlighted Soursop leaf extract's efficacy against Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium linked to stomach ulcers, and Plasmodium falciparum, the parasite responsible for malaria. Additionally, the fruit's anti-inflammatory properties, mediated by compounds like camphorol and quercetin, reduce chronic inflammation, a silent driver of immune dysfunction. Traditional practices, such as consuming Soursop juice during flu season or applying leaf poultices to infected wounds, underscore its role in fortifying immunity. Digestive health benefits from Soursop's rich dietary fiber content, which promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. The fruit's pulp contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, slowing digestion to enhance nutrient absorption and stabilize blood sugar, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, alleviating gastrointestinal stagnation. Soursop also exhibits mild laxative properties, attributed to its natural sugars and compounds like tannins, which stimulate peristalsis, the rhythmic contractions of the intestinal muscles. In traditional Amazonian medicine, Soursop is used to treat dysentery and parasites, with studies confirming its antiparasitic effects against organisms like Leishmania and Trypanosoma cruzi. Furthermore, the fruit's anti-ulcerogenic properties, demonstrated in animal models, protect the stomach lining from acid erosion, making it a potential ally against gastritis and peptic ulcers. Soursop's anti-inflammatory effects are among its most celebrated attributes, offering relief for conditions like arthritis, gout, and inflammatory bowel disease. The fruit's bioactive compounds, including alkaloids, e.g., corexamin and reticulin, and phenolic acids, inhibit pro-inflammatory enzymes such as cyclooxygenase, COX, and lipoxygenase, LOX, reducing the production of inflammatory mediators like prostaglandins and leukotrienes. A 2020 study in biomedicine and pharmacotherapy found that Soursop leaf extract significantly reduced edema and inflammation in rats with induced arthritis, comparable to standard anti-inflammatory drugs. Topical applications of Soursop pulp or oil are traditionally used to soothe joint pain and muscle spasms, while its antioxidants mitigate oxidative stress in inflamed tissues. For individuals with autoimmune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis, Soursop's dual action, suppressing inflammation and modulating immune responses, provides a holistic approach to symptom management. Skin health is enhanced by Soursop's antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Vitamin C stimulates collagen synthesis, a protein essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles, while antioxidants like luteolin and quercetin protect against UV-induced damage and environmental pollutants. Soursop seed oil, rich in fatty acids, acts as a natural emollient, hydrating dry skin and repairing the epidermal barrier. The fruit's antimicrobial compounds, including acetogenins and alkaloids, combat acne-causing bacteria like Cutibacterium acnes and fungal infections such as candidiasis. Traditional beauty regimens in the Philippines and Indonesia incorporate Soursop leaf infusions as toners to reduce hyperpigmentation and promote wound healing, leveraging its astringent and anti-inflammatory effects. Pain relief is another area where Soursop excels, thanks to its analgesic properties. Studies on animal models have shown that Soursop leaf extracts increase pain threshold levels by modulating neurotransmitter activity in the central nervous system, particularly by enhancing serotonin and dopamine release. Traditional remedies use Soursop leaf poultices to alleviate headaches, nerve pain, and postoperative discomfort, while the fruit's anti-inflammatory compounds reduce swelling and tenderness in injured tissues. Soursop's antimicrobial prowess extends beyond bacteria to include antiviral and antifungal activity. Research published in Frontiers in Microbiology, 2018, demonstrated that Soursop extracts inhibit the replication of herpes simplex virus, HSV, and human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, in vitro, likely by disrupting viral envelope proteins. The fruit's antifungal properties, effective against pathogens like Candida albicans, make it a natural alternative to synthetic antifungals, particularly in regions with limited access to pharmaceuticals. Respiratory health benefits from Soursop's expectorant and bronchodilatory effects. Traditional practices in the Caribbean involve brewing Soursop leaf tea to relieve coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. The fruit's alkaloids relax bronchial smooth muscles, improving airflow, while its anti-inflammatory compounds reduce mucus production and airway inflammation. A 2019 study in respiratory physiology and neurobiology noted that Soursop extract reduced histamine-induced bronchoconstriction in guinea pigs, suggesting potential for managing allergic asthma. Stress and anxiety reduction is another lesser-known benefit of Soursop. The fruit contains compounds like tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, which regulates mood and sleep. Animal studies indicate that Soursop leaf extracts exhibit anxiolytic effects, possibly by enhancing gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, activity in the brain, promoting relaxation without sedation. In traditional settings, Soursop tea is consumed to alleviate insomnia and nervous tension, offering a natural remedy for mental health challenges. Blood sugar regulation is supported by Soursop's fiber content and hypoglycemic compounds. Soluble fiber slows glucose absorption, preventing postprandial spikes, while bioactive alkaloids enhance insulin sensitivity. A 2017 study in Food and Function found that Soursop leaf extract improved glycemic control in diabetic rats by upregulating glucose transporter proteins, GLUT4, in adipose tissue. For individuals with type 2 diabetes, Moderate consumption of Soursop pulp may aid in managing blood sugar levels, though excessive intake should be avoided due to its natural fructose content. In conclusion, Soursop stands as a testament to nature's pharmacy, offering a spectrum of health benefits rooted in both tradition and science. From its potential role in cancer prevention to its ability to soothe inflammation and bolster immunity, this tropical fruit bridges ancient wisdom and modern research. While its therapeutic promise is immense, mindful consumption is advised, particularly regarding seed toxicity and the need for further human trials. By integrating Soursop into a balanced diet or skincare regimen, individuals can harness its healing potential, embracing a holistic approach to wellness that honors both cultural heritage and scientific discovery.